morning, guys. So, guys, this is first day of school and I'm so excited. Kaya maaga talaga ako magising and si mama andun. And guys, tara samahan niyo ako kung paano ba ako kakasota. So, guys, let's go. Maglilig ko po. Guys, we're gonna drink this. This is milk. Magsuklay muna tayo. Guys, we're gonna drink milk now. Tapos ni guys. So next is exercise. Sorry guys, I forgot it. Maniwala kayo sa akin, this is my morning routine and maligo na tayo. Syempre guys, pamilya na tayo mag-breakfast. Let's go. And guys, ito yung done guys. Wait, that's missing one. Okay, kompleto na. Yung
hindi nyo pa maubos tayo na.
mali. So guys, ito yung sapatos ko. Kasi ang yun ko. And yung hair na. Tapos diba? Okay na. So guys, look at this. Ito yung cream shoes ko. So now I have shoes. That's guys, ito yung bag ko. Wow! Ito favorite ko. Ayan siya guys. Ayan yung ginagamit ko yung grade 1 ako and grade 2. So ayan, grade 3. Hindi pa dumadating yung Kuromi ko. Good! Parang makapag-tablet na ako. Kaya rin,
Dami
guys, first day of school.